Currently in our area, 63 degrees under cloudy skies. Our local Doppler radar. Decreasing cloudiness, high 66. Winds west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tonight, sun clouds, low 60. Winds northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. On Thursday, a few clouds in the morning, but mainly sunny, high 68. Winds northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And Thursday night, considerable clouds early, some decrease in clouds late, low 63. Winds northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
All right, thanks for tuning in here to the Weather Channel. Of course, we continue to cover the flood story, particularly in the Tunica area.
That's right. You know, casinos there are, of course, tied to the Mississippi River, but now they are very much a part of the river. Yes, and you know, some of these areas, it is 10 feet deeper than they ever expected. So Julie Martin has more with this story.
It's not every day that people take airboats to Tunica, Mississippi's 9 casinos, but that's the only way to get close, and the payout is nil. No gambling is allowed. This is unprecedented. This never happened before in Tunica. The casinos have never been closed before, so this is the first time event, and we're doing everything we possibly can to mitigate as much damage as possible. The rising waters have been forcing these casinos to shut down for almost 2 weeks. They're losing big. $87 million in gambling revenue for the month and $10 million in state taxes. Not to mention more than $6 million in lost hotel income. The losses are being felt across the region, from the gambling halls to the gift shops, as the flow of visitors has dried up.
It has a tremendous effect on the secondary economy, at the gas stations, at the grocery stores, at the malls, things like that in this area. So it's the floodwaters has affected everyone.
Most of Tunica's 9,600 casino and hotel workers are getting paid for now. Harris Casino says it's the right thing to do.
Right now, we're committed to the end of May, and I think that's very exciting that our company's doing that.
For those floating casinos, officials say there's no danger they will float away. They're securely tied down. Casino owners bet long ago that the odds of a catastrophic flood could one day turn against them.
While some Tunica casinos hope to reopen by Memorial Day, a full cleanup here along the Mississippi will be massive. And for thousands of flooded residents, recovery slow and painful. I'm Julie Martin, the Weather Channel. And you know, also slow and painful, that economic cost. And Jeff, you know, some folks are estimating it could be as high as $4 billion of losses along the Mississippi.
Yeah, when you think about all the traffic that goes up and down the Mississippi that can't right now or is delayed, and the commerce that we just saw with a lot of the jobs being lost with the casinos, it's a nasty situation. Also nasty are the thunderstorms which are starting to develop out here through the plains. We have an arc of them, some of them in Kansas and Oklahoma. Our one severe thunderstorm watch, though, is down here in Texas. And look at this big cluster of storms now from San Angelo north. And irony of ironies, we actually have some flood warnings out there in the middle of a